channel, and if you're new here, hi! It's nice to see you here. For today's video, gagawin natin yung uso ngayon na ginagawa sa bahay. And since most of us are stuck inside our house, no school, no work, and bored for 3 months already, and with a little bit of creativity, I came up with 5 Instagram-worthy photoshoot ideas that you can do at home. And if you follow me on Instagram, halos mga photos ko doon, mga outdoor shoot. May mga photos naman ako dito sa bahay, pero sobrang simple and basic lang niya. So, I'll be using any stuff lang dito sa bahay. And by the way, I'll be using my phone only. So, if you guys are interested, then just continue watching. So for our first concept, this is gonna be my outfit. It's a yellow jump short. It's very simple and basic. This concept is actually very popular on TikTok, and all you need is a flower, a fabric, and a mirror. So for our second concept, this is gonna be my look. Ayan. And don't forget your socks. So parang Nadine Lustre inspired lang tong photo na to. All you need is a bed, a book or a notebook, and a tripod. And also, I'm waiting for the golden hour kasi maganda yung effect dito sa room ko pag nag-sunset na. My cute dog. Hi, Kif! So, ayan. As you can see, golden hour na. Perfect time na mag-shoot.
They call me Taco. I don't know who's Marco.
Next concept, this is gonna be my outfit. It's a girly off-shoulder dress. So, dito tayo mag-shoot sa aming terrace. And all we need is a tripod. And then some cute flowers. Tapos ganitong background, guys. Dapat ganito yung background natin. And syempre, dapat kita din yung mga clouds. And as you can see, medyo uulan na kasi kaya mabilisang shoot lang to. Nasa? Okay. So, medyo against the light yung background natin. Pero, i-edit lang natin. Really? Ayan, so medyo against the light yung background natin, guys. Don't worry kasi i-edit lang natin yan mamaya after taking the photos. For our next shoot, this is gonna be my look. Ayan. So, I love my outfit. High-waisted na short, cropped up na t-shirt, and this shoes, and some bonnet din pala. So, itong newspaper challenge, guys, it's very popular on TikTok. Pero, wala akong mahanap na newspaper dito sa bahay namin. Kaya, yung gagamitin ko na lang is yung calendar. Let's go! Finally, natapos din. Sobrang pawis ko na. So, let's start for a pose.
Got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet.
So, for my last concept, inantay ko talaga na gumabi, guys, kasi maganda siya pag gabi mo siya i-shoot. And all you need for this concept is a phone na may flashlight, a tripod, tissue paper. So, we need to turn off the lights, and that's the result. So, I'm gonna add some flowers and put it right here. Ayan. So, this is gonna be my look for my last concept.
Party girl, she just wanna have fun too.
That's it, guys. Yun yung 5 photos na na-shoot ko dito sa bahay using my phone and self-timer for 1 day only. Yes, guys, just be creative. Actually, sobrang daming ideas na pwedeng gawin dito sa bahay. To be honest guys, sobrang nakakapagod niya kasi ako lang yung mag-shoot sa self ko, ako yung magde-decide, ako yung magdadala ng mga gamit, papunta doon, papunta dito. Sobrang nakakapagod niya talaga. Pero masaya naman siyang gawin and it makes my day productive. Again, just be creative. Mag-isip kayo ng magandang ideas na pwede gawin dito sa bahay. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.